Hi folks, my name is Kieran McEvoy. I'm a professional songwriter and musician with over 30 years experience in the music business, some good, some bad. I also teach the songwriting course in Walton School of Music, and basically the course caters for everybody from complete beginners up to those who've written lots of songs and maybe want to just refresh them, their skills and hone their skills a little bit. I start with the nuts and bolts of songwriting, which is structure, structure, structure. I address lyric writing, of course, chord sequences, provide exercises for just general creativity to get yourself kick-started and to, get over that dreaded writer's block, which we all suffer from occasionally. Do you need an instrument? Do you need to play an instrument to write a song or to be on the course? Absolutely not. Do you need to have any knowledge of music theory? Again, no. These things are useful, of course, and very helpful, but they're not essential. We will progress to writing songs collaboratively throughout the course, and we'll have lots of fun. Just remember that the music business wouldn't exist without great songs and the people who write them. So with that, I'm going to leave you with a song I wrote, just to prove to you that I can write a song, hopefully. This is called I Miss You, and I perform as one half of a duo called the Remedy Club with my wife Aileen. And I hope you enjoy this clip and see you on the course.
Something that I gotta do. There's something that I need to explain since we've been through. Just that nothing seems to ease the pain of my tears been pouring down like rain. Nothing ever gonna be the same. Baby, I miss you. There's nowhere that I wanna be. There's nothing that I wanna do. There's no one that I wanna see since we've been through. The sky ain't never seemed so gray. I've been hanging on a thread each day. Even got down on my knees to pray. Baby, I miss you. Time flies by like a bird in the sky. I gotta move on. Situation's out of control. Never thought a man could get this low. It's rocked me to the depths of my soul. Baby, I miss you. situation's out of control. thought a man could get this low. When it's rocked me to the depths of my soul, baby, I miss you. Yeah, this situation's out of control. Never thought a man could get this low. When it's rocked me to the depths of my soul, baby, I miss you. It's rocked me to the depths of my soul, baby, I miss you.